I've reached a milestone. A workable version of the MADEngine is now on the web, and I'm going to show you it in action. So here it is. First of all, I need to log in. I'm presented with a file manager. I'll go to my demo project. Before I go any further, let me recap on what model automated development actually is. M is for model. This is represented by a diagram. I have a sample diagram right here. Let's just go back to the generate screen. I've got the file manager and the generate screen here. We then need to select a template. I've already selected this template, but I can select many more by going to this file search screen. But we'll stick with this template for the time being. A is for automate. We do this by clicking on generate. This will activate the MADEngine, which then generates our desired source code. Because we are on the web, the MADEngine will return a zip file that contains our source code. In the future, I hope to have a satellite desktop application which will enable you to sign in, select one of your projects, and assign a target folder. So let's extract the contents of the zip file and open it in SQL Server Management Studio. So we have a test database here with no tables in it, and we have a SQL creation script. Let's execute it. As you can see, it's ran, but it's rolled back the transaction. The reason for this is I've put a safety mechanism in here. So we'll set this to 1 and we'll run it again. This time the transaction committed. Refresh the tables, and here are our tables. The tables will match the diagram, the model. You may already be aware that the MADEngine can generate source code for many different programming languages, many different object-oriented programming languages, as well as relational databases. In this case, we have the SQL Server database template selected here. To generate code for other languages, we need to select the correct template. So we could do TypeScript, and we have a mock-up template for TypeScript. We could select C#. I have 2 mock-up templates for C#. Of course, there are many other object-oriented programming languages out there. Please add into the comments a programming language that you would like me to create a template for. Once you've selected the template, you can add bookmarks. These bookmarks are particular to this template here. I still have to add some additional features. One of them is a feature selector, and the other one is the ability to inject your own custom code into the outputted source code. Well, I hope you enjoyed this diary entry. Please like and subscribe. And one more thing, thank you for watching.